Hellcat.
Sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Your side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
Students, today we have to study about comparing the numbers. So first I take the topic compare the following by filling the correct symbol less than, greater than or equal. First I take the problem 23. Then 32. According to the place value, you compare the numbers ones, tens, then ones, tens. So you should start from ones place only. So now I compare the ones place. Here I have 3. So here I compare the number in ones place. I have 2. So 3 is the greatest one. Even though I don't come in any conclusion, I go through the tens place. After that I comes to the conclusion. In tens place, here I have 2, here 3. So which is the greatest one? The 3 is the greatest one. So I chose the 32 is greatest one. So I put greater symbol face to number 32. Students, you can memorize easily. The greatest number should come in the open side. This like you keep in your mind. The open side is greater number. So the open side, the greater number has come. Then the smallest side, the smallest number has come. The second problem, take the number 1, 0, 2. Then here 1, 0, 2. Then I put the place value both the side ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Again I started from ones place. Here I have 2. Here also I have 2. In tens place, here I have 0. Here also in tens place I have 0. Then I go through the 100th place. There I have 1. In here I have 1. So both the place value have the same value. So I put the symbol equal. Equal. The next problem, I have to take the number 689, then 705. Again I put the place value ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. I go through the ones place. In ones place I have 9, here 5. So 9 is the greatest number, but I don't come any conclusion. I go through the tens place. Here I have 0, here I have 8. Then 100th place, here I have 6, here 7. So which one is the greatest one? The 7 is the greatest one. So greatest number, which side has come? The open side has come. So this is smallest one, this is greatest number. Students, next we go through the ascending and descending order. So you see the heading, rearrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. I take the numbers 415, 451 and 4015, 4051. So first, in ascending order, how can we arrange the numbers in ascending? Smaller number to the greater number. So first we find out which is the smallest number. Already we did the comparing the number. We start from ones place. Likewise here also you compare the numbers according to the place value. So first you write down the place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred. I don't have any thousand place here. So instead of I put 0. So in thousand place I have a 0 here. The last one, ones, tens, hundred. Here also I don't have thousand place value. So instead of I put 0. Why I take thousand place here means before the first number we have up to the thousand place. In thousand place we have 4. So only here also I take the thousand place value. I don't have any number here. So instead of I put 0. Now I compare the numbers in all ones place. You see 5, 1, 5, 1. From this 1 is the smallest number. So maybe we can choose. Here both are same. This is 1, then 2. We can assume. Then we go to the in tens place I have 1, 5, 1, 5. So 1 is the smallest one. So the both two ones has come first. Even though after complete all the place value, only we can come conclusion. So next we go to the 100th place. There you have 0, 0, 4 and 4. So after 100th place we have in 1000 place we we have two numbers, but two numbers have no thousand place value. There is 0 only. So from this we take the smallest number, both zeros in the thousand place. So we got two zeros in thousand place, 415 and 451. So from this you select the smallest one. The 15 is the smallest one. So I chose the 415 is the smallest number. So I write down that one first. 415. The next smallest number is 451. So I write down that 451. The third one, both thousand place we have 4000, the same only. So again the 15 and 51 we have. So the smallest one is 4015. So third one is the 4015. At last the remaining one, the 4051. So from this we can order the descending order. The ascending we have to write down the smallest to biggest number. Descending order, biggest number to smallest number. So we take a reverse order from the ascending order. So which one comes first? 4051. Then second one 4015. The third one 451. The last one 415. Students, today we study about the comparing the numbers and ascending, descending order. Thank you, students.